Imagine walking into a cafe in Tokyo, staring at a menu filled with characters you can't read, and instead of pulling out your phone or awkwardly pointing at pictures, a calm voice quietly translates everything into your ear in real time. Or picture yourself recording a crisp 2K vlog of your morning commute, hands in your pockets, never once lifting your phone or breaking your stride. This doesn't feel like a far-off 2030 sci-fi fantasy anymore. It's real, it's happening right now, and in this case, it's literally sitting on your face. Xiaomi's officially released smart glasses have finally arrived, and after months of leaks, rumors, and speculation, we can now stop guessing and start judging them for what they actually are. The real question isn't just whether they work or not, but whether Xiaomi has quietly leapfrogged the competition and made devices like the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses feel outdated almost overnight. From the very first moment you put these glasses on, it's clear Xiaomi understood the biggest problem smart glasses have always faced. Nobody wants to look like they're wearing a computer strapped to their face. The so-called glass hole factor has killed more smart glasses than bad battery life ever did. Xiaomi tackled this head-on by making design the priority instead of an afterthought. These glasses weigh just around 40 grams, which is only slightly heavier than most premium sunglasses that usually come in at 30 to 35 grams. That difference is barely noticeable in real-world use, especially when you consider what's packed inside this frame. We're talking about a Snapdragon AR1 processor, a 12-megapixel camera, 5 microphones, open-ear speakers, and a battery that lasts nearly all day, all hidden inside something that still looks like normal eyewear. The frame itself is built from TR90 nylon, a material known for being both lightweight and flexible while still feeling durable enough for daily wear. It doesn't creak, it doesn't feel fragile, and it doesn't give off that plasticky toy vibe that early smart glasses were infamous for. Xiaomi launched the glasses in 3 color options, each aimed at a slightly different personality. There's a classic black for people who want to stay understated, a translucent brown that looks surprisingly premium and modern, and a bold parrot green that clearly targets early adopters who don't mind making a statement. But one of the most underrated design wins here is the hinge system. Xiaomi uses aerospace-grade titanium alloy hinges rated for more than 18,000 folds, which suggests these are built to survive years of daily opening and closing. They've also added a subtle 12-degree outward tilt to the arms, which helps distribute pressure more evenly and prevents that annoying pinching behind the ears that makes some glasses unbearable after an hour. Where Xiaomi really starts to pull ahead, though, is with the lenses. Depending on the version you choose, you can get electrochromic lenses, and this is where things start to feel genuinely futuristic. With a simple double tap on the temple, the lenses change tint in just 0.2 seconds. One moment they're completely clear for indoor use, and the next they're dark enough for bright outdoor sunlight. There are 4 different levels of light transmittance, giving you precise control instead of the slow, awkward transition you get with traditional photochromic lenses. There's no waiting, no half-tinted stage, and no need to carry 2 pairs of glasses around. It feels instant, seamless, and surprisingly satisfying every time you do it. For content creators, this is where Xiaomi's smart glasses start to look like a serious tool instead of a novelty. Hidden discreetly in the corner of the frame is a 12-megapixel Sony IMX681 sensor. While most competitors are still stuck at 1080p video, Xiaomi pushes things further with 2K video recording at 30 frames per second. The 105-degree field of view is wide enough to capture exactly what you're seeing without distorting everything into a fisheye mess. Add electronic image stabilization into the mix, and the result is footage that looks smooth and watchable even when you're walking, cycling, or moving through crowded spaces. It's not trying to replace a dedicated camera or a flagship smartphone, but for first-person perspective content, it's incredibly immersive and natural. One of the standout features that really changes the game is first-person live streaming. Because these glasses are deeply integrated into Xiaomi's HyperOS ecosystem, you can stream your live camera feed directly to platforms like TikTok or YouTube using your phone as the bridge. What's wild is that you can switch between your phone's camera and the glasses' camera midstream, giving your audience a mix of traditional shots and true POV footage without interrupting the broadcast. For vloggers, travelers, and creators who thrive on spontaneity, this opens up a whole new style of storytelling that just wasn't practical before. Audio has always been the Achilles heel of smart glasses, but Xiaomi clearly knew this and came prepared. Instead of relying on tiny speakers that either sound weak or leak audio everywhere, they went with a dual-system approach. The glasses use open-ear speakers combined with a reverse sound field algorithm that creates an inverted sound wave to cancel out sound leakage. In practical terms, this means you can listen to music, podcasts, or calls without sealing off your ears, and people nearby won't hear what you're listening to. In a quiet library test, someone sitting just a few feet away couldn't hear anything, even with the volume turned up higher than normal. That's impressive. For calls and voice commands, Xiaomi packed in a 5-microphone array, including a bone conduction microphone positioned near the nose pad. This mic picks up vibrations from your voice through your bones, making it much easier for the system to isolate what you're saying from wind and background noise. Xiaomi claims clear call quality even when cycling at speeds up to 12 meters per second, and in real-world testing, the clarity easily matched or even beat many high-end wireless earbuds. It's one of those things you don't fully appreciate until you use it in a noisy environment and realize how well it just works. The real intelligence behind these glasses comes from Xiaomi's AI integration through its Super Xiao AI assistant. This is where the glasses start to feel less like an accessory and more like a personal assistant that just happens to sit on your face. Real-time translation is one of the most immediately useful features. The glasses support over 10 languages and can translate menus, street signs, and even spoken conversations on the fly. If you travel frequently or live in a multilingual environment, this alone could be worth the price. For professionals, the meeting assistant is a standout feature. It can transcribe conversations in real time, identify different speakers, and generate a summarized version of the meeting afterward, all accessible through the Xiaomi Glasses app. It's not perfect yet, but it's already good enough to save time and reduce the need for constant note-taking. There are also some surprisingly practical everyday features. You can look at your food, ask the AI for a rough calorie estimate, and get an instant response. It's not meant to replace a nutritionist, but as a general guide, it's incredibly convenient and feels like a glimpse into how AI will blend into daily life in subtle ways. Instead of pulling out your phone for every small question, the answer is just there when you need it. Battery life is where Xiaomi truly embarrasses much of the competition. Most smart glasses struggle to last more than 3 or 4 hours of mixed use, which makes them feel like a novelty rather than something you can rely on all day. Xiaomi tackled this with a 263 milliamp silicon carbon battery, delivering over 8.5 hours of typical use. That's roughly double what many current market leaders offer. Even with heavy use, like recording 2K video, you're still looking at around 5 to 6 hours, which is more than enough for most scenarios. Charging is refreshingly simple. There's no bulky charging case to carry around. Instead, Xiaomi built a discrete USB-C port directly into the temple of the glasses. You can plug them into a power bank in your pocket and keep using them while they charge, which is perfect for long travel days or extended shoots. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in how practical the glasses feel. What makes all of this even more impressive is the price. At around $280, Xiaomi has completely redefined what you should expect from smart glasses at this level. Competing products often cost $400 or even $500 while offering less battery life, fewer features, and weaker ecosystem integration. Xiaomi isn't just undercutting on price, they're delivering more value across the board. And if you're already part of the Xiaomi ecosystem, these glasses become even more powerful. Through HyperOS, they can act as a remote control for your entire smart home. You can turn off lights, adjust devices, or check notifications without touching your phone or any switches. In the end, the Xiaomi smart glasses don't feel like a gimmick or a tech demo. They feel like a serious step toward a hands-free future where technology fades into the background instead of demanding constant attention. They look like normal glasses. The battery lasts long enough to trust them, And the AI features actually solve real problems instead of just sounding impressive on a spec sheet. For tech enthusiasts, content creators, frequent travelers, or anyone curious about the next evolution of wearables, these are easily some of the best value smart glasses available right now. The real question is whether smart glasses are ready for the mainstream anymore. It's whether you're ready to replace your traditional sunglasses with a pair of AA-powered specs and step into what comes next.